Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for positivity. I'm so glad you're here. This is your time. Few quiet minutes just for you. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and let your hands rest gently. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable, and take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do that one more time. Breathing in deeply, breathing out and letting go. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Notice the gentle weight of your arms, your legs, your whole body. Allow your shoulders to relax. Allow your jaw to relax. Allow the muscles around your eyes to relax. If your mind is busy, that's okay. Thoughts can come and go. Each time you notice them, gently return to that feeling of your breath. Take a slow, easy breath in, and then a soft, gentle breath out. Feel the rise and fall of your chest with every inhale and exhale. Now, I invite you to bring positivity into your mind and body. As you breathe in, imagine you're breathing in a warm, golden light. See it filling your lungs and spreading through your body. This light is calm, it's peaceful, and it's full of energy. As you breathe out, imagine releasing any tensions, any worries, any heaviness. Let it all flow out with the breath, leaving you lighter and clearer. With every inhale, say silently to yourself, I welcome peace. With every exhale, say silently, I let go of negativity. Continue breathing with this rhythm. Inhale, I welcome peace. Exhale, I let go of negativity. Now imagine that golden light growing brighter inside of you. It gently spreads from your chest to your shoulders, from your shoulders through your arms, and all the way down to your hands. Spreads down through your belly, your hips and your legs, past your knees, down to your ankles, and then finally all the way to your toes. You are glowing with warm, positive energy. Picture yourself smiling gently. Feel this warmth and happiness wrapped around you. And allow this feeling to stay with you. Take a few more easy breaths. Feel some gratitude for taking this time for yourself. When you're ready, start to bring small movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes and roll your shoulders. Taking one last deep breath, filling yourself with that calm and positive energy you've just created, and then exhale slowly. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. Notice how you feel. Are you more peaceful? Are you lighter? Are you ready for the rest of your day? Thank yourself for taking this time and carry this positive energy with you. Remember, you can return to this meditation whenever you need a rest. Namaste.